This exercise is called 100's because you do 100. This can be with any kick. It could be with any technique, really. We use oftentimes for our Daken Gata, Ski, Shuto, Keri, etc. You could do it with Uke Gata, it doesn't matter. In this case, we're doing Sokuyaku Kengeri. The first 25 are light. You're warming up your hip joint, your hip flexors, trying to work on the form, and get yourself prepared. The second 25 are with power. Now you'll see in this example that we are using double pads for the power, as requested by Sam, the pad holder. Now we're going to do 25 strong kicks. As you see, that kick was more of an up kick, which was not the correct form. There we go. To Cody's defense, this was after 4 hours of training filmed at the end of training, so he is a bit tired. There you go. A little bit better. So you're trying to hit as hard as you possibly can. Speed's not important. Power. Imagine you're kicking down a door. Like I said before, you could do this literally with any technique. And we practice it with all of them in the beginning of our class for our Daken Gata Kihon. A lot of people just practice the Daken Gata Kihon in the air, and that's fine. It's usually too fast to really work on your form, so it's not much of a form practice. Honestly, it becomes more of an aerobic workout. I tend to not like to do it as much. I'd rather hit things. This is also a huge aerobic workout, and you're getting feedback. You're practicing what it feels like to really hit something and hit something hard. Ask yourself this question: if you're not going to hit hard, why hit at all? So, while we do practice the Daken Kihon in the air, sometimes in the beginning of class, we tend to avoid it and do either randori drills with our partners, or target hitting, or if we're working the form, we don't try to go through all of the different techniques. We pick some techniques and we work them precisely for repetitions. Some of the basic Kihon techniques. Okay, so now he's on his power kick. You could tell he's getting pretty tired. Normally, Sam is moving a lot more backwards. Blast through, give it all you got, blast through. Really push. This is good for Furoshin. Immovable heart. Summoning up the spirit of Fudomyo.
Did you go?
100's. That's a total of 100 kicks. 50 per leg, 25 easy, 25 hard. Give it a shot.